Hello, myself Pattewar Sakshi. I am from TE Electrical. I have designed the gas detector using Arduino Uno under the guidance of Dr. A. Apte ma'am. For this, I have used Arduino Uno gas sensor, buzzer, LEDs and LCD display. For designing the gas detector system, I have used a MQ2 gas sensor. This senses the methane, butane, LPG, smoke, inflammable gases. Basically, it detects gas leakage. When the gas concentration exceeds the set value by the user, then buzzer will generate the sound. LCD display will show the alert message and red LED will be on, and if there is no leakage of gas, then buzzer will not generate sound, green LED will be on, and LCD display will show the safe message. So let's simulate. You can see this, I have started the simulation. You can see the concentration of gas is less than set value. I have set the 400 as a limit, so it is showing the safe, you can see, and green LED is also on. And if we increase the concentration, that means we have to take it on the gas sensor, so it will generate the sound. Hope it will be audible, and red LED will be on, and LCD display is showing the alert message. We have seen the simulation of gas detector system. Now we will see the code. As you can see, I have included the library for LCD. After that, I have given the values. Int buzzer is equal to 4 because buzzer is connected to the pin number Arduino pin number 4, and sensor is connected to A0. And as I said, I have set the 400 as a limit for the for this simulation. So if the for if the concentration of gas increases 400, then it will detect the gas, and buzzer will generate the sound. And in void setup, we have make the pin number 3 to 4 as output pin, and for the sensor we make it as a input pin. And we also use the serial begin because it is a serial communication. And after that we have included LCD dot begin 16,2 because we are using LCD display 16 by 2, so that it is included. After in while loop, we have given the analog value as analog read sensor, and after that serial print analog value. It will print the analog value, whatever the analog value, and if analog value is increased the sensor threshold, then digital write 2 comma high and digital write 3 comma low. So if it is increases, then red LED will be on, and green LED will be low. That means green LED will not be on, buzzer will make sound. Then after we clear the LCD, and we have set the cursor 0 comma 1 so that it will print alert message. And after that we will clear the LCD, so that LCD dot clear. And if else means if analog value or gas concentration is less than the sensor threshold value, then the digital write 3 comma high, that is green LED will be on, digital write 2 comma low, that is red LED will not be glow, and no tone buzzer, so that buzzer will not generate sound, and LCD will print safe as a message. So I think it is very simple code that I have included in this simulation. Hope this will help you. Thank you.